If your beater isn't fitting properly onto your stand mixer, there are 3 potential solutions: realignment, deep cleaning, and KitchenAid authorized repair. First, turn off and unplug your stand mixer. Then, align the keyhole opening on the bottom of the beater with the shaft and pin, slide the beater onto the pin, and then twist in place to attach. Additionally, avoid storing the beater on the mixer, as this too can cause misalignment. If your beater does not fit on the beater shaft, food particles may have become lodged in the opening on the beater itself. To avoid this, wash and dry your beaters by hand, and do not let them soak with food particles. Then, use a toothpick to gently remove any remaining particles. If your problem persists, try repeating this a few times. Some particles may be deeply lodged. Visit our service and support page, where you can find a KitchenAid authorized service facility, schedule a service appointment, and even live chat with a support representative. Explore maintenance tips and more at KitchenAid.com today.